In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine background pages and layers in Draw.io for Confluence Cloud. We'll start inside Confluence on the page that already contains your diagram. Open that page in edit mode so you can access the Draw.io editor. If your diagram is embedded, click to edit the diagram so it opens in the Draw.io canvas. Give it a second to load and make sure you can see the canvas, the right side format panel, and the page controls along the bottom. Next, we're going to create a new page that will sit on top of an existing page, just like a transparent layer. Look toward the bottom right of the editor for the page controls or page details area and click it. Add a new page. It helps to give this new page a clear name, like overlay or annotations, so you can recognize it later. With the new page selected, shift your attention to the format options on the right. You're looking for the background setting for this page. This is where the magic happens. Open the background selector and choose your first page as the background. Depending on your setup, you might see pages listed by number or by name. Pick the correct one, page 1 or whatever you named your base page. Now, confirm your choice by clicking Apply. The change takes effect immediately. You've just told Draw.io to treat the first page as a fixed backdrop for the page you're on. From here on, the first page acts like a master background, and anything you place on the new page appears on top of it. Think of it as combining a background page with the flexibility of layers. Your base page can hold shared elements, frameworks, templates, branding, or anything you don't want to duplicate, while your overlay page is where you add contextual details, alternatives, or scenario-specific notes. A quick tip. When you're on the overlay page, you won't be able to directly edit items that live on the background page. If you need to change those, switch back to the base page, make the edit there, and it will automatically reflect wherever that page is used as a background. This keeps your source of truth centralized and reduces maintenance. If you ever need to change which page is used as the background, just return to the format options for the overlay page, select a different page by number or name, and apply again. This approach is especially helpful for creating versions, presenting options, or layering annotations without cluttering your main design. And that's it. You've combined background pages and layers in Draw.io for Confluence Cloud to build cleaner, more maintainable diagrams.